Noah Blanco is LCEC's expert when it comes to energy conservation.
In Southwest Florida, air conditioning accounts for more than 30% of the average electric bill. Homeowners looking to reduce their electric bill should first look through their air conditioner. You should start with monthly inspections of your air intake filter. If the filter looks dirty, either clean it or replace it. A clogged filter can increase your unit's operating costs by more than 10%. Routinely cleaning the condenser coils and fins on your unit helps with energy efficiency. If you're not sure how to do this, contact an air conditioning professional to do the job for you. It's also a good idea to contact an air conditioning professional to give your cooling system a tune-up once a year. This will ensure your equipment is operating as efficiently as possible. Inside your home, be sure your air conditioner's thermostat's auto setting is selected instead of the fan setting. This lowers humidity and costs and raises your comfort level. LCEC recommends setting your thermostat to 78 degrees in the summer. Each degree lower will cost you 8% more. Finally, consider installing a programmable thermostat. It can raise or lower the temperature in your home according to a preset schedule even when you're away. This saves energy and money and allows you to be more comfortable.
While electric bills seem to soar in the summer, you might be surprised to learn that the average electric customer spends more to heat their home in the winter. It's because it takes more energy to heat your home than it does to cool it. Here are some ways you can control your heating costs. Keep your thermostat set to 68 degrees. Be aware that each degree higher will add about 5% to your electric bill. Also, dress warm in the morning until the sun warms up your home naturally. Once the sun sets, close your blinds to keep the sun's heat inside. Then open your blinds in the morning to let the sunshine reheat your home. Make sure you have at least R19 insulation in your attic. It prevents heat from escaping in the winter. R30 insulation is even better. Now that we've discussed how to reduce your energy bill and remain comfortable in the summer and winter, here are some simple energy-saving habits that you can implement any time of the year. Approximately 15% of the average homeowner's electricity bill is spent on lighting. You can reduce these costs by turning off any lights you're not using and enjoy the daylight. Sit near a window to do things that require light. Water heating is the third largest energy expense in your home. It typically accounts for about 14% of your utility bill. You may think this cost is a small price to pay for the convenience of a hot shower, but during the course of a year, the costs add up. While most hot water heaters come with a default water temperature setting of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, LCEC recommends 120 degrees as a safer and more efficient choice. Also, wash your clothes in cold water. Most of the energy used to wash clothes goes to heating the water, not to running the machine.